Make sure you keep your core nice and tight. Pause at the top, control it back down. Starting position, feet hip width apart, toes pointed straight ahead. Maintain good posture by drawing your shoulders back, maintaining a tight core. We're gonna step onto the box. Come up, balance at the top, before returning back down nice and controlled. We're gonna perform 12 reps on each side. Make sure you keep your core nice and tight. Pause at the top, control it back down. Great job. Keep your feet straight. Maintain control. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Excellent. 5 more. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Excellent. Now we're going to perform 12 reps on the other side. Stay nice and controlled. Pause at the top. Keep the core tight. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Push through the box. Great job. Last 2. Great job.